Your doors are more than just entryways. They are essential components of your home's structure, security, and energy efficiency. For homeowners in Meridian, where temperatures can vary significantly between seasons, ensuring proper door alignment is especially important. Misaligned doors can lead to various issues, from higher energy bills to decreased home security. Here's why proper door alignment matters and what you should know about maintaining it. Enhanced energy efficiency. One of the most critical benefits of properly aligned doors is improved energy efficiency. When doors are not aligned correctly, gaps and drafts can form around the edges, allowing conditioned air to escape and outdoor air to enter. This forces your heating or cooling system to work harder to maintain a consistent indoor temperature, resulting in higher energy bills. In Meridian, where summers can be scorching and winters chilly, a well-aligned door is essential to keeping your home comfortable year-round. Proper alignment ensures a snug fit and effective sealing, preventing air leaks and saving you money on energy costs. Improved home security. A misaligned door can compromise the security of your home. Doors that don't close properly or fail to latch securely leave your property vulnerable to intruders. Even minor misalignments can weaken the structural integrity of a door, making it easier to force open. Properly aligned doors ensure that locks and latches function as intended, providing maximum protection for your family and belongings. For added peace of mind, consider professional inspections and adjustments to keep your doors secure. Preventing damage to door frames and hinges. Misaligned doors often put unnecessary strain on door frames, hinges, and other hardware. Over time, this can lead to damage, such as warped frames, squeaky hinges, or cracked wood. Left unaddressed, these issues can escalate, requiring costly repairs or replacements. Regularly checking and maintaining door alignment can help prevent unnecessary wear and tear. By addressing alignment issues early, you'll extend the life of your doors and save money in the long run. Enhanced aesthetic appeal. Your doors are one of the first things visitors notice about your home. A crooked or uneven door detracts from your home's appearance, creating an impression of neglect. Proper alignment ensures that doors open and close smoothly and sit flush with the frame, contributing to a polished, well-maintained look. For Meridian homeowners looking to boost curb appeal, addressing door alignment is a simple yet effective way to make a great impression. Smooth operation. A properly aligned door opens and closes effortlessly. If your door sticks, drags along the floor, or doesn't close completely, it can quickly become a daily annoyance. Misalignment can also lead to issues such as squeaking, scraping, or difficulty locking and unlocking the door. Ensuring proper alignment not only enhances functionality but also makes daily life more convenient. You shouldn't have to struggle to operate your doors, and fixing alignment issues can restore smooth operation. Protection against weather elements. Meridian residents know the importance of protecting their homes from the elements. A misaligned door can allow rain, wind, and debris to enter your home, leading to potential water damage or reduced indoor air quality. Over time, this exposure can damage flooring, walls, and furniture. Proper alignment ensures a tight seal that keeps the elements outside where they belong. Investing in weatherproofing measures, such as replacing worn weather stripping, can further enhance your door's ability to protect your home. Reduced noise pollution. An improperly aligned door can create gaps that let in outdoor noise, disrupting the tranquility of your home. If you live near a busy street or in a noisy neighborhood, this can be particularly bothersome. A well-aligned door acts as a barrier, reducing noise infiltration and creating a quieter, more peaceful living environment. Professional maintenance and alignment checks. While some minor alignment issues can be fixed with DIY adjustments, significant problems often require professional expertise. A skilled technician can assess the root cause of the misalignment, which may involve issues with the door frame, hinges, or settling of the house foundation. Professional door alignment services ensure that every component is adjusted correctly for optimal performance. They can also identify and address underlying issues, preventing future problems. Conclusion: proper door alignment is essential for maintaining the comfort, security, and efficiency of your home in Meridian. Whether it's reducing energy costs, improving security, or enhancing your home's appearance, a well-aligned door offers numerous benefits that impact your daily life. If you've noticed signs of misalignment, such as difficulty closing, drafts, or gaps, it's time to take action. Regular maintenance, weatherproofing, and professional alignment services can help you enjoy the full benefits of a properly functioning door. Don't let misaligned doors compromise your home's safety, comfort, and aesthetic appeal. Address the issue today for a better living experience.